Hey there, today we're going to go ahead and propagate some grapes. So I'm just going to cut a few cuttings for propagation. Alright, so today we're going to go ahead and propagate some grapes. We're doing a green table grape and a concord grape. And so we just fill up the bottom of the pot with some wood chips, just to act as a little bit of a filler. And then we go and get some perlite with some compost and peat moss and fill up the pot. And then we grab one of our cuttings and we're going to go 1 node, 2 nodes. We're going to do 3 nodes on this one because that one's a little short. And we'll cut it. Grab some rooting powder. We'll stick it in the rooting powder and then we'll shove it on in. And with this one, we're going to add just a little extra soil just to top it off. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and finish up all the rest of the green grapes and the concord grapes, and we'll show you when we're done.
You're filling up the can?
So then we just go ahead and get the plants all nice and watered in. Here we go, Forrest. They reach. Well, we leave them there, leave them. We want them to grow.
You just put a lot of water in it?
I just want it to get real wet at the bottom. That's it. Oh, bam. Can you say bye, Forrest?
Say bye.
Can you say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Can you say like and subscribe?
Say thanks for watching.
You put wood chips in that pot. You get wood chips in that pot, Forrest.
Oh, you're so fast.
You get more wood chips in that pot.
Good job, Forrest. You're doing a great job. Whoa!
No, no, no.